Right, this is Novo 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates not, Mamelodi Sundowns won. My brother, Kosi for life, how do you feel about the game?
I always watch Orlando Pirates every game. I never missed any single game of Orlando Pirates as much as I'm not an Orlando Pirates fan. However, let's look at the game specifically. The referee was not in control of the game. He was charging under pressure. There has to be a foul, and then he was charging throughout the atmosphere. You understand? And there was no connection between him and the linesman. Despite that, however, Orlando Pirates failed the combinations. They knew that Ndondo has 3 yellow cards. There's this young boy, Kinvatu, which was coming from Kinvidu, which is coming from Marispec. That guy is too good. What they were supposed to do, they were supposed to give that guy a chance to start. They lacked in the midfield at the combination. They didn't have combination. However, Saleng wasn't going to play, whereas the midfielder is lacking. Let's give credit to Mbule. Mbule played the game respectively, and then Tebucho Mukwena played the very good game. However, Sundowns knew Pirates because they want to play with counter-attacks. Sundowns was flat-footed on the first half. They played a very slow game because they never allowed Pirates to utilize all the opportunities. However, Pirates was caught. Pirates was caught off guard. Because they played a very slow game, whereas Pirates wanted to rush them. However, they didn't get that chance, and then they don't have those combination throughout the midfielders.